Morning guys. So what are we, Tuesday morning because it's bank holiday. So today I'm back at the Den and I've got this MG to get polished up and coated. Going to be working around the interior guys and the mechanics, but I'm going to start with this side, both sides, because they've got to do the interior tomorrow. So as long as I get these polished up today, both sides, then we won't be in their way. So that's the job we got this morning. So let's get cracking. So just polishing up this MG, and I thought I'd jump on and show you how a little paint is on it. So the door, 22.7 microns, whereas the rear quarter 315, so 259, whereas the door is just not a lot of paint on there at all, so I'm not going to be able to correct that as much as I'd have hoped. So all this mottling that's in there is going to have to stay there, unfortunately. So this quarter's done, the door's done as best I can. I'm going to jump on that door and be a quarter that side, and do the front wing tomorrow maybe, unless I get time today, just so I can make sure that I'm out the way when they come to do the upholstery. So we'll crack on with here. These, I think, 224, and this door's 265, so there's plenty of paint on here to play with. And up there. So yeah, I'll crack on with this side and show you some more in a bit. Morning guys, so it's now Wednesday and I'm back on the MG. So just got the boot on it, front wings around where the windscreen goes, but that needs doing once the windscreen's fitted properly. Around the back here, all this side's done except for the front wing, so I'm going to get cracking on that, and then I'll be coating it once that's all sorted. So I've got work around the interior guys today because they're doing carpets, etc. So I'll film as much as I can between them doing that as well. See you in a bit. that's the MGB now polished, looking fresh. So just needs coating tomorrow now. But the interior guys are going to be in there tomorrow as well, so I'll be coating it around them. But yeah, she looks immense. So she should be looking. The paint on it is horrendous, I must admit, but it's come up best I can get it. So we'll get it coated tomorrow. I've got a couple of maintenance jobs to do first thing in the morning, and then I'll be here to do that. So see you in the morning. Morning all. So on Thursday morning now, and I've got the usual 2 in for maintenance details, the Range Rover Vogue and the A-Class. So they're not actually that bad, but they never are really, to be honest. This one is ceramic coated with C-Court, so from CarPro. So I'll get a time lapse set up and get cracking.